Now, listen, you're going to go to open with me a few more trades now. Okay. And
Okay,
therefore,
good.
I want you to go and look at the bottom where you see market and click on market now. Click on market.
Market.
Market, yes. And I would like you to go now and look at the currency called GBP CHF. GBP
Which?
CHF. GBP, Great British Pound. You need to scroll down. Scroll that down. You will find GBP CHF. GBP CHF. All right. A little bit lower. GBP. Yes. Here we go. Here we go. That's the one. That's
Yes.
the one. GBP CHF. Click on that one, please.
GBP CHF.
This is British pound versus Swiss franc. So if you look at the graph, what direction the price is going here, Robert?
Ah, this one is going. This one is going up.
Exactly. So this is a huge upward trend going there for many hours. So this is a good opportunity to sell or to buy, Robert.
I think this one, because it's going up, we have to sell. Huh?
No, again, when it's going up, you buy it because you expect that it will continue. A trend is your friend. Remember this. A trend is your friend. Just follow the trend. So if it's going
Oh,
up, you buy. If it's going down, you sell. You understand? Okay, wonderful. Now, so therefore,
You
you're gonna
buy.
go and buy it if you believe that it's
So,
gonna go up, and you
so,
need to preset your trade. So where you see TP/SL above 0.01, can you click on that? TP/SL. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, and now you see you need to increase your trade size to again $60. So you may put there, for example, like click on the plus, and let's bring your margin required, yeah, to $60. Do that. You see your margin required now is 20. Increase it more, 26. Okay, do it more. Okay, 47.
53.
Next one, yeah, 0.09. Do that. Okay,
Okay.
that's $60. Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. That's great. Now
Okay.
scroll up a little bit this page. Scroll it up so you can see your take profit below. Okay, scroll up. Okay, here we go. Up. Yeah. And now where you see the take profit box, okay, below the take profit, there is a price, correct? Below take profit.
Wait. Yes.
Take profit. Yeah, click on price below take profit. Wonderful.
Profit.
Change it to profit. On the right
Yeah.
side of your screen, click on that black box. Yeah. And now you're going to put 10% of $60. What's the 10% of $60, Robert?
$6.
Exactly. That's $6. Click on 6 and click apply. All right. Wonderful. And then now you have to click on the buy in order for you to open your trade and confirm your trade. Simple as that.
Okay.
Okay. Wonderful. So now if you click on that buy, your trade's going to go open. And now I want you to pay attention to your margin. So what is your margin now, Robert? Look at the top, your margin.
Margin
No.
124.
$124. You see, so
And
you have
16.
opened now. You have opened now a second trade of about $60, as we said, and that's why now you have $124 that you're using in the market, right? In margin. You with me?
Yeah.
Okay. Now listen. So this is something that you've done with Forex. Okay, and I would like you to leave just 2 Forex trades, and you're gonna add one more today, but not on Forex, but on gold.